Hey guys, okay, so as you can see, my makeup table vanity is an absolute disaster. So I thought maybe today we would do a satisfying cleanup. Now, if you guys don't like cleanup, or if you're hoping for like a sped up time lapse type of version of this type of thing, you are not going to get it here today. I don't know how to do any of that stuff. So we're just going to clean it up. Now, I don't have much of a collection. It's really just superficial, most of this. So it shouldn't take too long. And also I don't really need any body at all saying stuff like, why don't you clean up your mat, blah, blah, blah. No, I don't need that at all. If you're a crazy, psycho, neat freak, clean it up as soon as you take it out, you put it back kind of person, have at it. More power to you. I'm so proud of you. All the extras. I am not that way. I'm usually fly by the seat of my pants girl, clean it up when I get home. Okay? So that's what we're doing. If you don't like that, I don't need your moral superiority at all. We're just going to clean it up today. So I hope you enjoy this. Sorry about the negative beginning, but you know, I get comments sometimes, so we're just going to address that up right up front. So let's see if we can get this done. Hopefully you'll be able to see. I'll try and keep everything as far as camera shot angles in mind. All right, now I've got a ton of trash, so we're gonna get rid of that first. Do you guys want me to talk? I mean, or just like, no, shut up, we just want to see the cleaning aspect going on. All this, and if you're interested, like this bag is a bag of products that I had set aside. This goes in fact, to do a video, and what happened was that the video kept getting pushed off, and so I had to take stuff out, and like, that's just how my life goes. So that's that. Oh, the Eyelure lashes, you guys, like, I think these are really good. These are the pre-glued ones. They're still sticky, so I think they could probably go for 2 or 3 uses. I'm sure I'm not putting them on the correct eye, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. I don't have the case for that, so I'm just gonna put that right there. And let's get all the trash out of here. I've got a bunch of Ulta bags, because I'm always getting makeup. I don't think I need any of these receipts, but I might need them, so I'm gonna put them right there. There's some here, no. This is a vintage antique type of makeup table. Someone gave it to me, a friend of mine. And I love that it has all the compartments, and then it also has these pull-out compartments. I kind of would like a different desk that's really similar to something like this. So if you guys know of anything like on Amazon or whatever, you let me know and I'll see if I can update the look, you know what I mean? Okay, I keep all my body sprays / perfumes up here. This could probably do with a bit of a wipe down, but I'm not gonna do that today. I have 2 perfumes in my life, ladies. Just 2. I like perfume, but my husband always gets me these. This is the Estee Lauder Pleasures and the Estee Lauder Beautiful. They're both really good. I like those. Okay, so that's done. Oh, and don't forget to check out my review on this foundation. Okay. I hope you guys can still see. Check afterwards. Okay, this sponge I really like, but I wouldn't, until this part of it is completely dry, if you dampen it, I wouldn't store it in here at all because it just prevents the water from evaporating. When it's fully dry, then I would store it in there for sure, because it's nice to have it in a case. But it will start to mildew on you if you put it in there and it's still wet. I feel like I don't know how it's hard to organize all my stuff because I just got a ton of stuff, and it just doesn't want to be organized very well. Some of it I'm trying, like I have stuff over here that I want to get rid of or pass on to somebody else that can use it. But man, the way my life goes, things just don't always work out in my favor. I'll have to wipe all this stuff down. I have this, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but this package here, I was depotting all of it, and my cats came by, jumped up here in this area trying to look out the window, and their claw caught some of my bronzer and highlighter, so it kind of made a mess. So right now we're not going to be worrying about wiping everything down, at least not for this video. I'll do it afterwards, but I'll do that later on. So I've got all eyeshadow slash eye stuff here, some sponges. My spoolie goes back here and all my... This is how you know you have a lip product issue, because it's just overflowing everywhere. And mascaras go back there. This is a concealer that I do not like, but cannot return. Why this is here, I will never know. Try to keep the lipsticks that I use most often towards the front. So this should really go up towards the front. If I could fit it, apparently I can't fit it, so we're just going to leave it there. This one's going to go right there. I feel like we're getting close to the end here. Oh, this one really goes in there. Highlighter. This is a concealer, so it really goes here. This also is the powder, and we have a highlight, a powder, and blush. My blush goes in here. Oh, here, that's the problem. I knew there was something else going on. Okay. Oh, that was a little bit faster than I was expecting. I guess I've got a tissue. Wipe that off. Okay. Bare middles. Triangles of powder. And this is the blush. So there we have it. Relatively clean. Let's go in the trash. This can go in the trash. This is the hair clip. This can go in here. Alright, and these are things I'm going to do. Oh dear. Getting rid of, so that's that. Hopefully this video will be fit for uploading, but I think we got it. That's pretty much what I wanted to do. These I'm keeping there because they're gonna go off to somebody else that can use them. This I gotta figure out what to do with. And there we have it, nice and clean. Well, thanks you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.